All right, tile phase 3. 3? Yeah, I think it is. Anyway, we cut the tile, we put it on. I had to buy a tub of thinset. It's not, like I said, it's not the large format tile, but this is not big. It's only 12 by 9, so I think I can get away with it. I didn't have any spaces, so because of the bend, you know how sometimes the tile bends, I secured it down here and at the end, so this way it might contour to meet each tile, and it looks like it has. Nor did I have the spaces, so years ago we used finish nails, which work just fine. No problem with them. The proper amount of space, the tile is level. Once I put the grout in, that's another thing. The grout is linen. However, I only need 2 feet, 3 feet 6, no, 1, 2, yeah, 3 foot 6, which means the tub that they sell is like 16 bucks, and I'm going to use this. I'm going to try and find a smaller tub, but I don't know if it's going to happen. I drilled the pilot holes for the electrical outlets. I used a template so I know where to put them. And then this is the radiant heat floor. Well, the floor is reading 47 degrees now, but you know, you could schedule this. It's a nice unit. You can adjust the time. It'll go off every morning at a certain time. Anyway, this is it. We're almost there. Like I said, I just need to get anchors to put in those holes, and then I'll seat the switches. Another thing I want to show you, when you're dealing with very thin grout space, because I used as little as possible because I'm using these massive tiles. Now, grout saw, to get the grout out, it would start nicking because they're fairly wide. I don't care how thin they are. The little metal stubble is going to, once you start digging in there, it's going to start to chip away at this tile. There's no question. So what I use is a painter's scraper, and I use this little end here. And what I do is I just chip away little by little like this. Once you get this in, you could pretty much chip away at this. And what I did is, that's nice to drop that, but you keep scoring it. But once you get into the bottom, you can sort of dig it out without having to scratch the tile. Always remember that. Keep it up a little in case it pops out. You're going to score the tile. You don't want to score the good tile. You score the bad tile. And if it's going to chip, because sometimes these are sharp, it's going to chip the bad tile that you're taking out anyway. But I find this very effective. Like I said, the grout saws, you're going to saw down, and I've seen it where, just the corners are chipped. And, but this one is, like I said, this works fairly good, and especially if you have a sharp one, because it'll go right through that grout. And it worked fine here. I mean, I have no chips in any of the tiles, and I was just scraping along here and getting this out. But let me fix that finish now. I'm going to let this set till tomorrow, and then I'll figure out what I want to do with the grout. And always keep wood shims around. That'll be it.